So, di-categorize siya into 7. So, we have eligibility and reuse, then qualifications, then research, then instructional materials, then extension, creative works on IP, and teaching effectiveness. So for eligibility and documentary use framework, so natay framework din no gihatag sa ICAG. So first box there, did you apply in the previous JC3 cycle? So if yes, did you formally withdraw before direct endorsement? If yes, eligible siya. Then if no, and then uh, fail to reach the required points, so kuning fail siya to reach the required points for katong reclassification, ang answer is ineligible for document reuse. Then for mabalik ta sa first box, did you apply in the previous GC3 cycle? If no, naatay first-time applicants or did not apply sa GC3. Eligible. Accomplishments from previous cycle are valid provided not used for institutional promotion. And then for newly hired, merit promoted during the cycle, eligible to apply, but documents used for that specific promotion or hiring cannot be reused for JC3. Next, we have for automatic one sub-rank and for earned doctorate degree using during the evaluation cycle. So alignment target, so specialization, aligned doctorate degree, then allied fields, creditable but evaluated based on curriculum and program outcomes, and unaligned, not credited for course specialization metrics. For the automatic one sub-rank, the rule is applied first to the base rank before additional point base sub-rank. So, mo to siya mag-una, no? So, mo to i-apply first, then after that, usa pa i-compute ang mga scores nga na-gather sa faculty. But with the following condition, first condition must apply the first earned doctor must be the first earned doctorate. Then second, vertically aligned or allied to the master's degree, and the HEI kung asa siya ning graduate must be autonomous, the regulated private HEI or ASUC Level 3 Center of Excellence or Center of Development designated department or top 1,000 globally from the QS ranking, THA, or WORI rankings. For research publication requirements, so naatay 3 indexing bodies nga kuan acceptable no, so Scopus, Web of Science, and ASEAN Citation Index. But for ASEAN Citation Index, accepted only up to the last issue of 2024. Then for delisted journals, ang mga delisted journals, creditable siya, actively indexed at the time of publication. So kung Scopus siya, Web of Science, ASEAN, ACI siya during sa time sa publication, creditable siya. Not creditable, published after the journal was delisted. Journal scope must be evidence proves articles fits journal's aim scope. So kang imuhang article naka-align pod siya no sa journal. Not creditable, single field research entirely outside faculty specialization. So dapat naka-align pod siya sa specialization sa faculty. Filipino publications, original, peer-reviewed by recognized organizations, and more than 5 years of existence. Then, translated versions of existing articles kay not creditable. For conferences, full papers published in Scopus Web of Science ACI proceedings are creditable if full papers siya. Not creditable to those merely a conference abstract or presentation. Authorships and citations. Points divided exactly according to the certificate of contribution form. So natay certificate of contribution. Then, e-signatures valid with verifiable authorization. So, pwede natin i-attachan siya o ganang, like ning email tong imong co-author, nga na. Pwede na siya e-signature. Professor rank rule, sole or lead authorship in inter-university research is mandatory for first-time professor reclassification. So this is for first-time professor. Next, we have citation rule. Points awarded per cited article, not total citation. So, kada article nga gisite, no, dili tong i-count ang mga number of citation. Self-citations, 0 point. And both citing and cited articles must be Scopus or Web of Science or ACI indexed. So, dapat katong nag-cite nga article, kuan pod siya no, index in Scopus, Web of Science or ACI. Next, we proceed to researches, completed researches translated into policy, project, and product. The internal rule, translation rule, internal ACC policy revisions do not count. It must influence regional, national practice or be adopted beyond the institution. Points are based on date of project completion or policy issuance, not original publication date. We proceed to instructional materials. So we have 3 textbooks, modules, instructional or lab manuals. So for textbooks, presents generally accepted principles intended for classroom instruction. For full points must be published by an SUC press, academic press, or registered educational publisher. And utilization mandate, all 3 require formal IMDC approval. So na approval sa IMDC. It should be available in the library holdings and included as references in the approved course syllabus. So kaning tulo, kaning textbooks, modules, instructional or laboratory manuals. So dapat naning IMDC approval, availability in library holdings, and na-appeal siya as one of the references in the syllabus. Copyright, the copyright mandated for the next evaluation cycle, not the current one. So sa pagkakaroon, dili pa required ang copyright. So sa next cycle na siya. Not creditable, mere compilations or compendiums of existing references earn 0 points. Multimedia and academic program development. For multimedia teaching materials, these are AR, VR learning materials, virtual simulated labs, original interactive LMS packages. So, unsa may mga dili creditable? Simple video recorded PowerPoint lectures lacking interactive instructional design. Proof of validation, so we have originality, provide concept notes, instructional design rationales, time-stamped project files or raw source files. Proof of pedagogical validity requires expert review, peer validation, or documented student evaluation results. Then for academic program development, the scope applies to creating new degree programs or substantial revisions. Minor tweaks do not apply. So natay mga possible nga points ani no kay naman tay mga new programs. Then required documents for validation. We have feasibility studies, benchmarking reports, OBE mapping documents, and curriculum design. Faculty cannot claim points here and claim administrative designation points for the same committee work. So, na mga katong mga na-inherit sa function nila, no? So, dili pwede. Valid extension project. So, foundation, SUC board, approve extension proposal, minimum of 1 year duration. Authorization, special order explicitly listing the faculty members' names, roles, and specific responsibilities. Active delivery of technical professional expertise aligned with specialization. Project status or terminal report formally noted by the extension director. So those are the mga possible modes of verification. 0 points for administrative, ushering, or secretariat roles. 0 points for volunteer, reservist work outside official SUC projects. Creditable if both outputs are distinct and satisfy all indicators, no double counting. Linkages and consultancy verification. So for linkages and partnership, a formal memorandum of agreement is mandatory. Points are credited per MOA, not per agency. Exclusion, OJTs and student practicum partnerships are explicitly excluded. So dili pwede. Proof of facilitation, provide a certification from the president and or vice president, not the dean, confirming that they initiated the partnership. So dili pwede si dean. Only president, vice president. Consultancy services. The mandate, it requires a written contract, invitation, an engagement certificate report, an authorization from the president, VP. A dean's endorsement is insufficient. NGO vetting requirements. For private non-government organizations, the faculty must provide NGO's organizational profile, SEC, DTI registration, official mandate, official website presence. Compensation is not the deciding factor, it's the actual expert service. Inventions and patent pipeline. So for acceptance application, formally examination report issued by IPO-PHL with no noted defects. Filing alone is not enough. So dapat na aning no formality examination report. Then for publication stage, substantive examination report with no defects. And for patent certification, the issued invention patent certificate. Base requirements for all stages. Special order signed by the president naming inventors, photo of the invention, and the certificate of contribution outlining percentage splits, including students. Rule, claim points only for the highest stage earned during the evaluation cycle. So, maka-explain kaayo ani si Ma'am Josephine. So, makascore ta sa acceptance, makascore ta sa publication stage, and makascore ta sa patent certification. Commercialization and digital innovations. For commercialized patented products, requires patent certificate plus certificate of product registration. Must prove commercial exploitation via sales invoices, licensing or technology transfer agreements, or marketing records verified by the ITSU or research director. For utility models, the UM certificate of registration must be issued by IPOFIL within the evaluation cycle. Pending applications do not count, can only be credited once. Next, we have digital innovations and exclusions. For creditable if formally copyrighted, utilized, and compliant with IP conditions. Not creditable, basic university logos or simple generic trademarks are not credited under these innovation metrics. Then for teaching effectiveness, so 60% for SET means student evaluation for teachers, and for plus 40% for SAF is for supervisors evaluation of faculty members. So the sum is equal to the teaching effectiveness score. QCE results for academic year 2023-2024 and 2024-2025 are recognized. So pwede mo to siya gamiton no for academic year. And then for academic year 2025-2026, we will be utilizing the new tool na kaning same O19 series of 2025. Divisors. So for standard baseline, the divisor is 6. Kaya naman tayo 6 ka semesters. No? So from 2023 to 2026, 6 ka semesters. If on maternity leave, ang atong divisor kay 5. Subtracts 1 semester from the divisor. No negative impact on final score. For study leave or sabbatical leave, if taught at least 1 semester, divisor shrinks to include only semesters actually taught. So kato lang semesters nga nag-teach ka, no mo na ato ang divisor. Pero naikuan ani sa last sa ubos no. Full-time study leave for entire cycle equals 0 points for teaching but still eligible to apply. So kung naka-study leave siya sa tibuok cycle, zero ang iyahang kuan points for teaching effectiveness. Special cases and administrative designations. Origin of transferred set SEP ratings. Creditable origin. Previous ratings as part-time faculty in same SUC. So kung part-time ka in same SUC, ratings transferred from another SUC, creditable sila. So kung gikan ka sa SUC, other SUCs. Not creditable, previous evaluations from private HEIs, LUCs, TESDA, or DepEd. Rating start fresh but the 6 semester divisor remains. So, over divided by 6 gihapon. So, dili makredit tong mga nasa private HEI, LUCs, TESDA, ag DepEd. Laboratory schools. Elementary, high school students, evaluations do not count. Aning laboratory schools katuning mga SUC na nga naay mga laboratory schools. Cooperating teachers are evaluated by undergraduate practice teachers. So, katong mga undergraduate practice teachers nga nag-student teaching, mo ito yung pwede mo rate. Pero katong mga elementary high school students, dili pwede. Next is for administrative designations, in the inherent duty firewall. So, administrative designations like deans, directors, coordinators, inherent responsibilities, dean revising a curriculum, director managing a project. So, ma-inherit siya sa iyang function. So, not creditable. Accomplishments born from inherent responsibilities of an administrative designation cannot be double counted as separate project points. So, mo ni siya ang flow, no? So, governance sa JC3. Advancement through clarity, the JC3 framework ensures career progression is driven by transparent, verifiable, and vertically aligned academic excellence. So, mo to siya ang mga issues and concerns no nga gi-answer sa CHED-OI CAG niya napapud to yung mga napapud yung murag nakalista no, so i-share na siya sa ato ang i-share na siya later.